Can you please ask your question again?
Yeah, if everything is prarabdha, then how do we sort out the relationships that go sour? That that some relationships in life get spoiled or destroyed, or there is some relationship issues. So if they go bad or if they're destroyed, how do you change them? Do you depend on Krishna and leave it like that, or do you work on it actively? That's my question. That was my question. I had in fact sent you also, Dr. Nondi.
Okay. Yes, Mataji. What we are supposed to do is that right now, one thing you said that you have started studying Bhagavad Gita, whether it is late. Definitely it is never late. We study Bhagavad Gita, that's very important.
Oh, okay.
Because we are Atma only. So we are not the body, we are Atma. So the soul is not young or old or anything. Soul is always there. The soul is only, the body is getting old. This old age, birth, old age, disease and death, it is there for the body. So if we start now and whatever until we die, whatever progress we make, and next birth, we are going to start again from where we are living in this life. So that way we'll continue. So that's what Krishna is teaching in the 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. So prayatnat yatamanastu. So we will continue then based upon our previous birth. So purvabhyasena teneva kriyate avasopi sagam jijnasurapi yogasya sabda brahma ativartade. So that way it is never late in this attempt to study Bhagavad Gita. Okay. And when we study Bhagavad Gita, we understand that Krishna is our permanent relative. Krishna is always with us. Krishna is our constant companion. All the time Krishna is with us. In this material world, all these relationships are all based on the bodily relationship. Everything is based on bodily relationship. And that just goes away when we die. As you know, being yourself like dentist, like the memory, everything is all stored in our brain. Everything is going to just die when we die. That's it. Afterwards, when we take the next body, we don't know anything what happens in this life, what our relations, our parents, our brothers, siblings, sisters, this and that, all relationship, friends, relatives, everything is just completely disconnected, completely gone. That's what happened in our previous life. In previous life, we had different families, different relations, different people. We don't think about anyone. We don't worry about anyone because we don't know about anyone. That is the main thing. So that's what is going to happen in this life also. So that way we need to be focused on Bhagavad Gita. That is the main thing. So Bhagavad Gita, if you focus, if we try to please Krishna, get this knowledge and spread this message, so that is the main thing. If we spread this message, so then we progress as much as possible towards Krishna. That is the main thing. So we need to make this progress very fast. As Krishna says that whatever progress we make, it's going to stay with us. So let us make as much progress. That is the main thing. So that way, we don't have to worry about anything else. And once our goal is set that only studying Bhagavad Gita, spreading Bhagavad Gita, that is the only our goal. So then everything else is just let us leave it to Krishna to do it. That's it. So we don't have to worry about anything. You understand that, Mataji?
Yes, thank you so much, Hare Krishna. Yes. Now it's so much more clearer. Yes.
So please come join this Bhagavad Gita every day and understand. Over a period of time you will get the complete knowledge, because our goal is to go through each and every sloka fully, and our past lectures are also there in the YouTube. So if I'm sure you must be in one of our WhatsApp group.